Hey folks, April Rain here. I want to go over pretty quickly the irony of Brett Kavanaugh's Supreme Court confirmation that was pretty much lost on both parties. While the left proved um, that they had no problem ensuring due process dies instantly upon an allegation, and the right played their part in the dog and pony show, crying out for due process, both parties fooled the majority of Americans, ensuring neither spoke the truth about Kavanaugh's real stances. I'm not going to go into great detail on this because he's confirmed, and nobody bothered doing any real research into him other than a few like Judge Napolitano. I just want you to keep in mind who supported his confirmation, which would be the likes of Cernovich, Alex Jones, Fox News, Turning Points USA, Candace Owens, Judge Jeanine Pirro, Trump, and so on. And the reasons that were given for opposing his confirmation, which were basically just stupid and full of allegations that look like Swiss cheese. A simple Google search will prove that I'm telling the truth about Kavanaugh. So here's the short list. He's against net neutrality. Now, I'm amazed many of those on the right didn't bring this up. But I oftentimes do point out the various ways a large number of those who claim to be on the right are fakes. Anyway, his stance is that net neutrality violates the internet provider's First Amendment rights, not those who can't pay up those price gouging fees and everything else that they want to throw on us to ensure that the internet isn't throttled, slow down. Only a special few who can pay up will have their services sped up. He is supportive of the NSA and the big government spying and performing warrantless searches on you. He believes that the Patriot Act, which he actually worked on to help create, doesn't violate the Fourth Amendment. Therefore, he has no problem with you having your right to privacy out as well as your right to due process being violated. Oh, and on a side note, he was a prosecutor, federal attorney, who let Hillary Clinton and her murderous goons off the hook regarding Vince Foster's mysterious death. Somebody clearly moved his dead body from where he died to the Fort Marcy Park, unless you believe that Foster became a zombie after allegedly shooting himself and took a stroll to go play in the grass. Now, I want you to ask yourself, with this dog and pony show being heavily covered on both sides of the aisle and in both the mainstream and alternative media, what is really going on that they don't want you to know about?